Hello students, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are okay. Today we will discuss about the division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Here we have taken two division problem and we will solve it one after another. So first one is 837 divided by 3. So in the long division process, let us start to divide it. 837. Here, let us start with multiplication table of 3. So, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So, 9, it is exceeding 8. So, we'll stop at 3 twos are 6. So, 3 twos are is 6. By, if we deduct 6 from 8, we'll get 2. Now, we'll bring down 3 here. So now 23. So we know 3 times 7 is equal to 21 and 3 times 8 is equal to 24. But here number is 23. So we'll take this one. So 3 sevens are is 21. So if we deduct, this will be 2. Now we'll bring down 7 here. So this is becomes 27. Now we know 3 times 9 is 27. So we'll take this. So 3 times 9 is equal to 27. If we deduct this, then remainder is 0. So our answer is 279. So this is the answer for this division. Now let us do one more division. The second problem is 632 divided by 4. So in the same way, we'll divide this. So 632 divided by 4. Now 4 ones are 4. If we deduct this, we'll get 2. Now we'll bring down 3 here. So now this becomes 23. So 4 5s are 20. 4 6 is 24. So we'll take 4 5s are here. So 4 5s are is 20. If we deduct this, how much will be the result? 3. Now we'll bring down 2 here. So this becomes 32. Now we know from the table of 4, 4 8s are is 32. So if we deduct it, remainder becomes 0. So our answer 632 divided by 4 is 158. So this is the answer. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe the channel for more such exciting video. Thank you everybody.